Hi, I'm Kitten from SunSweetCooking, and today I'm going to show you all about knives. The boning knife is good at deboning because the blade is very flexible. The utility knife is also called a box cutter. It's good at cutting everyday fruits and veggies. The bird's beak paring knife cannot cut in a straight line. However, it is very good at hulling strawberries, which means removing the core. Now a regular paring knife, it's very good at peeling and also very good at making very fine cuts. And the steak knife, you should only use it for cutting meats, because if you take care of it properly, it could become a precious family heirloom. And that's all about knives. Kitten signing off.